your good name is?
Sushmita.
What is your age?
My age is 28.
28. From which place you are?
I am from Davangere, but we are settled in Bangalore.
What you are doing basically?
I'm a housewife.
Housewife. Tell me your case history of this non-alcoholic, liver issue.
So actually, I was having autoimmune hepatitis.
Autoimmune?
Hepatitis.
Okay.
So since it was on 2020 on lockdown time,
That was the diagnosis.
And we got diagnosed in Udupi Manipal Hospital.
Mm.
And there I have taken so many medications, but in that medications only I am going through that. But that Visolin was a bit restriction in future conditions. So we saw the videos and we came to know this type of condition, like we can go and meet up with you and we have a chat and like we'll see and so we came here.
Okay.
So
when you came here, what was the condition of your blood parameters and your body?
My platelets was like 60,000, 55,000 it was. And then I took almost 20 days, that's it. And 1 week I went to my native, there I couldn't take for the festivals and all, I couldn't possible. In the 20 days only I got so much changes. Now my platelets count was 90,000. And also like I'm fully active.
So earlier, as you said that some skin scar used to be there.
Skin scars, like it was whenever I was having a low platelets, so in my hands and my legs I was having a skin scars. So that also I got reduced. And also in post delivery I was having a back pain, severe back pain. That is also no back pain. And I was highly active now.
Wonderful.
But SGOT total bilirubin.
My total bilirubin was like normal.
How much earlier it was?
Earlier it was
variation. It started from 18, but when we came here around 2-3 it was there. So now it's 0 point something.
Okay.
It was in a normal condition.
Wonderful. What about SGPT, SGOT? It's
it
all.
It was an LFT, liver related thing.
Normal only.
Normal only.
Normal now.
Okay. Wonderful. So that means this is in 1 month only you have seen the sea changes. What food you have followed? Kidney diet or
monkey
diet?
Monkey diet I have followed.
Great. Wonderful. Because I have seen that, in monkey diet, any abnormality can be changed.
Yes.
See, as you may be surprised to hear that today I am doing 3rd day monkey diet.
Yeah.
Because generally, some 3 months or 6 months once I am trying to follow this.
Okay.
Wonderful. Thanks, Amma.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you.